Hey, Glenn here with Billet Specialties with the new product Bulletin. We've got some big changes coming to our Street Lite wheel. Today I'm here to show you guys that we are changing to the V2 cap. So we're going to be discontinuing this old 5-year style that uses the flat socket head cap screw that everyone kind of complains about or loses. We're going to be switching up to a new O-ring style push-in cap that's going to be coming standard on them moving forward. So if you have any wheels that you have sitting around that you need matches to, maybe you bought a set of fronts, you need to order rears, you have 3 wheels because one wheel got damaged, order those extras right now because this is no longer going to be available as of September 1st. We're also going to be offering 3 different cap heights. However, the wheel will only come with the tallest cap. And we do this because everyone has different height hubs, and we know we could accommodate 99% of vehicles with one cap this way. But if you guys are so inclined, you can go on our wheel accessories tab on our website or call your favorite dealer, and they can get you these different height caps to make your ride look a little cleaner or smoother if that's a look you're after. Along with the cap change, we're revising the center a little bit. We're going to be doing the lightning machining as you see on the Lite series of wheels versus the old style where it was just plain flat here. So you're going to get a little bit of weight savings as well. We have also introduced some new rim widths. We have a 17x5, a 17x6 for front wheel options in a 2-piece welded construction. So you could now get that look with the polished lip and the black center to match your black centered rear wheels, whereas we used to only offer a 1-piece forge, which the whole front wheel was black, or the whole front wheel was polished and some of you guys didn't like because it didn't match perfectly. And we're also offering 18x5s, 18x6s, 20x7s, and all of the wheels, the Street Lite, the Redline, and the Lite will be available now in 18 and 20 inch. So make sure you get over to billetspecialties.com and check out all the new offerings we have for you guys today. Thank you very much.